Understanding transaction matching in simple terms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting concept called transaction matching. This term might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how it's used in various contexts. Let's dive into the world of transaction matching together. Transaction matching refers to the process of comparing two sets of records to ensure they are consistent and accurate. Think of it like making sure the pieces of a puzzle fit perfectly. In the financial world, this could mean comparing the records of a bank statement with the corresponding transactions in a person's ledger to ensure everything matches up. The key idea here is accuracy and consistency. Transaction matching is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps in detecting errors or discrepancies in records, which could indicate mistakes or even fraudulent activity. Second, it ensures financial integrity, meaning that the financial statements of a company or individual accurately reflect their transactions. Lastly, it's a foundational element in auditing processes, where auditors verify the accuracy of financial records. The process of transaction matching typically involves 3 steps. 1. Collection, gathering all the necessary documents, such as bank statements, invoices, and receipts. 2. Comparison, carefully comparing the details of each transaction across the different documents to check for consistency. 3. Resolution, identifying and resolving any discrepancies found during the comparison. Software tools can automate much of this process, especially for businesses, making it faster and reducing the risk of human error. Transaction matching isn't just for banks or big corporations. It's something you might do without even realizing it. For example, when you check your bank transactions against your shopping receipts to see if the amounts match, you're doing a form of transaction matching. In a larger scale, businesses use it to reconcile payments received with their sales records, ensuring that everything is accounted for. And that wraps up our explanation of transaction matching. Whether you're managing your personal finances or running a business, understanding this concept can help you keep your records accurate and reliable. We hope this video has shed some light on what transaction matching is and why it's so important. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.